We'll get there. That last one looked a lot better. A lot of it's going to be comfort, you know. People make the world go round.
Not doing that. Alright, so right now it's about 11:40 at night. I didn't record it. I was doing something else at the time, and my dad was anxious on getting this bike going. And so he went ahead and welded the pipe, and now the pipe is on. We got the radiator on. We just put fluid in it. Right now we are snatching batteries off of our bikes to put into my brother's bike, because his battery isn't good anymore. So yeah, right now we're just looking for batteries. I think we're gonna take my dad's battery out of his bike and put it in to my brother's, and yeah, but start it tonight. This is the pipe. We went ahead and put the factory muffler back, or the factory exhaust back on, just to quieten it down a bit, since it's straight pipe now all the way through. And yeah, hopefully it'll be good and not be. Hopefully it won't run a bit too lean. My brother's supposed to order a power commander pretty soon. But I doubt we'll get it by the end of next week. So we might be at the track next week without a power commander, but we'll see what the bike does. So yeah, I guess I'll pick back up once we get a battery into it and go from there. Got them connected?
Yep, but battery might be dead. Let's give it a shot.
Oh shit.
Here we go. That's probably a little quieter than it was, but about the same, right?
Yeah, it's about the same. Yeah, that sounded really good.
Yeah, we can live with that.
A lot quieter than I expected, that's for sure. Probably gonna be really loud with the
Straight pipe.
That shorty that he has. But yeah, that was it. Yeah. How was the throttle response when you?
I mean, we can't tell the difference. I don't know.
No different than what it was before.
Right.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we'll call it a night.
It smells a lot more, I guess, richer.
It's because it...
Straight pipe now.
Yeah.
Yeah.